What is the unit digit of multiplication 723 raised to 723 into 824 raised to 824 into 529 raised to 529? So this question basically gets converted to find the units digit of 3 raised to 723 multiplied by 4 raised to 824 multiplied by 9 raised to 529. Now let's find out the cycle of 3. Okay, so the cycle of 3 is 3 raised to 1, units digit is 3, 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 7, 3 raised to 4 is 1. Now, therefore, we can say that there is a cycle of 4 because the next powers go on having the units digit in the same order 3971, 3971. Okay. So, because it is a cycle of 4, we divide the power, that is in this case 723, by 4 and find out the remainder. The remainder comes out to be 3. Now, as the remainder is 3, we get the answer as 3 raised to 3, that is units digit is 7. Okay, so now this is the answer from the first part, 7. Now let's find out for 4 raised to 824. So for 4, we have 4 raised to 1 is 4, 4 raised to 2 is 6 in the units digit. Now there is a cycle of only 2 for 4. Okay, it always goes on repeating 4 6 4 6 4 6. Now instead of dividing by 4 like in the case of 3, what we will do is, because it is a cycle of 2, we can say that 4 raised to odd number units digit will always be 4, and 4 raised to even number units digit will always be 6. Now in this case it is 4 raised to 824. So because 824 is even number, we can say that the units digit of 4 raised to 824 will be 6. Okay. Now coming to the next one. Now similar to 4, 9 raised to 1 is 9 and 9 raised to 2 is 1, the units digits. And you will observe that again the cycle is of 2 for 9, similar to 4. So for 9 also we can write it down as 9 raised to odd is equal to 9 and 9 raised to even is equal to 1. Now in this case it is 9 raised to 529, which is an odd number. Therefore the units digit will be 9. Okay. So you can see here that now we have the units digits 7 from the first part, 6 from the second part, and 9 from the third part. Now we want the units digit of this product. So now 7 6 are 42 into 9. Now we are interested in only the units digit. So you forget about 4, focus only on 2 into 9. So 2 9 that is 80. Again, we are interested only in the units digit. So forget about 1. So 8 is your answer. Option B.